James Bond didn't play Baccarat for fun. He played it with control. And there's one trick he used that most beginners never learn. Because if you play this way, the casino makes less money. Baccarat is famous for looking simple. Player, banker, tie. But that simplicity is exactly why beginners get destroyed. Bond didn't chase patterns. He didn't panic. And he definitely didn't bet like the average player at the table. In this video, I'm breaking down the James Bond approach to Baccarat. Not a magic system, not a scam, but a way of playing that keeps beginners alive longer, calmer, and more profitable. 1. The Bond rule. Never bet one side only. Most beginners go all in on one side, banker only, player only. Bond didn't do that. He split risk intelligently, not randomly. The idea is simple. You're not trying to predict cards. You're managing exposure. 2. The 14-5-1 structure, the Bond setup. Here's the structure inspired by Bond-style play. 14 units on banker, 5 units on player, 1 unit on tie. Why this matters: bankers win most often. The player covers variance. Tie is there for volatility, not hope. You're not chasing a big win, you're engineering balance. 3. Why this works for beginners. This setup does something most beginner strategies fail at. It keeps your emotions under control. You don't tilt after one loss. You don't chase after one win. You're playing Baccarat like a probability manager, not a gambler. 4. When to use it and when not to. This approach works best on stable tables, not chaotic ones. If the table is wild, step back. Bond didn't force action. Sometimes the smartest move in Baccarat is not betting at all. Now here's the part no one tells beginners. This isn't about beating the casino. It's about not beating yourself. Casinos don't fear systems. They fear players who stay disciplined, calm, and patient. Because those players lose slower, think clearer, and don't self-destruct. And that's why most players never play like Bond. So here's the takeaway. The James Bond trick isn't secret math or insider cheating. It's structured betting, emotional control, and knowing when not to act. If you're a beginner and you want to stop playing like the casino expects you to, subscribe to Bet 5 Games. Drop a comment. Would you try the Bond setup, or do you think it's just hype? And if you want the next level, how pros actually read Baccarat tables without chasing patterns, watch the next video. Play smart, play calm, and remember, the house wins when you lose control.